Quadruped, both arms and legs, is an excellent exercise designed to challenge your core stability, your shoulder stability, hip stability, organization of the head, neck, and shoulders, and improve your posture. Quadruped position, all fours. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Maintaining a neutral spine position, float opposite arm and opposite leg out. Slide them back down underneath you. Imagine you have a tray of champagne glasses over your shoulder blades and your pelvis. And you don't want to spill any as the arm and leg are going out. Keep the sitting bones open to allow space for the thigh bone to draw in underneath you. Keep the shoulders open to allow the arm to drop down into the socket as it reaches out long. Reach long from the crown of the head and the tailbone, as if you're trying to lengthen the spine out as you do this.